The Caracat 66 is the smallest model in the Caracat line of amphibious campers. It's designed to be a comfortable home base for exploring both land and water. At just 6.6 meters long, the Caracat 66 is small enough to tow behind a car or truck, but it still manages to pack in a surprising amount of space. The cabin features a convertible dinette that can be used for seating, sleeping, or dining, a small but well-equipped galley, and a bathroom with a shower. There's even a pop-up roof that creates additional sleeping space. The Caracat 60 SIX's most unique feature is its foldable hull. When you're ready to hit the water, you simply unfold the hull, and the Caracat 66 transforms into a fully functional catamaran. The Caracat 66 is a great option for anyone who wants to experience the freedom of the open road and the open water. With its comfortable accommodations and versatile design, the Caracat 66 is perfect for exploring new places and creating lasting memories. The Sealvan's Amphibious Caravan is a unique creation that combines the comfort of a caravan with the functionality of a boat. Manufactured by a Turkish startup, Sealvans, these amphibious vehicles come in two models, the Seal 4.20M and the Seal 7.50M. This compact version is designed for shorter trips and can accommodate up to 2 adults. Weighing under 750 kilograms, it might not even require a special permit for use on the water, depending on local regulations. This family-friendly version is larger and intended for longer adventures. It can sleep up to 3 adults or a family of 2 adults and 2 small children. With a maximum permitted weight of 3,000 kilograms, it offers more amenities on board. Both models transform seamlessly from a caravan on land to a boat on water, eliminating the need for trailers or complex procedures to switch between modes. A functional kitchen, compact bathroom with a show comfortable seating. A main bed with an optional extra bed. The 7.50M version can be equipped with either a 50 HP Honda outboard motor or an electric propulsion system, depending on your preference. The DepartureOne XL is a unique amphibious vehicle that combines the functionality of a caravan and a houseboat. It's manufactured by Deutsche Composite GmbH, a German company specializing in caravan and boat creations. This innovative design allows you to enjoy the freedom of the open road and the tranquility of cruising on water. Whether you want to explore new destinations or simply relax by a lake or river, the DepartureOne XL provides the perfect platform for adventure. Transition seamlessly between land and water travel, eliminating the need for trailers or complex procedures. The Departure can comfortably sleep up to 6 people, making it suitable for families or groups of friends. The caravan boat is designed to be self-sufficient, with features like a built-in kitchen, bathroom, and water treatment system. The DepartureOne is trailerable by most SUVs or trucks, thanks to its compact size and lightweight construction. Safety features: it meets the highest safety standards for both inland and coastal cruising. The MiniBig is a small camper trailer that turns into a tiny boat. Despite its compact dimensions, it's got room for 3 people, but you'll also need an outboard engine. From the land of strange but mostly cute vehicles, aka Japan, comes this, the MiniBig Amphibious Camper Trailer. You can hitch it to your car, drive to the nearest lake, and use it as a boat while you're at it. That's because the MiniBig can be fitted with an outboard engine, although for that you'll need a small ship maneuvering license, according to Japanese regulations. We believe getting one is totally worth the hassle. Imagine parking on water then sailing off as conventional campervan owners look in disbelief. The company that makes the MiniBig says it has a maximum capacity of 3 people, all of which can even sleep on board thanks to the interior's configurable layout. Despite that, it has compact exterior dimensions, making it quite easy to maneuver when hitched to a car. The MiniBig starts at 2,462,400 yen, which is the equivalent of $22,090. And if you really want one, you should think about setting some more dough aside for import expenses, as it is currently on sale only in Japan. The Bravada Atlas V Series yachts were a line of superyachts designed for freshwater lakes. They were known for their sleek design, luxurious amenities, and massive size. The brainchild of award-winning watercraft designer J. Invictus boasted 5 staterooms, 2 kitchens, a fire pit, and a crowd-pleasing 15-foot waterslide spread across its 2 decks. The living areas were opulently furnished with bespoke cabinets, custom seating, multiple fireplaces, and a whopping 10 flat-screen televisions. Invictus curved glass sides offered a futuristic look and expansive interior views. The iconic luxury houseboat is the epitome of 5-star luxury on the water. Launched in January 2022, this stunning 2-story houseboat gracing the Murray River in Mildura, Australia, takes houseboating to a whole new level. Iconic luxury boasts of 6 elegant king bedrooms, all with private en-suites. Imagine waking up to the gentle sounds and breathtaking sights of nature surrounding you. This luxurious houseboat offers a spacious lounge area with a gas log fireplace, perfect for cozy evenings. A large gourmet kitchen ensures you can whip up delicious meals, and there's even a separate cocktail bar for those celebratory drinks. Heading upstairs, you'll find a magnificent sun deck, perfect for soaking up the sun and enjoying the wide-open views. For some relaxation, there's also a large heated spa on the back deck where you can unwind and take in the scenery. The iconic luxury houseboat is equipped with the latest technology and a top-of-the-line stereo system, ensuring your entertainment needs are met. Houseboat Echuca. Echuca, a town on the Murray River in Victoria, Australia, is a popular destination for houseboating holidays. Here you can find various houseboats for rent that cater to different styles and budgets. These houseboats are perfect for those who want a relaxing getaway on the Murray River without breaking the bank. These houseboats come fully equipped with all the amenities you could ask for, including spas, BBQs, and entertainment systems. Houseboats with simple style. Several houseboat companies in Echuca offer houseboats that prioritize comfort and functionality over luxury. These houseboats are ideal for those who want a relaxing getaway on the Murray River without breaking the bank. Luxury houseboats. If you're looking for a luxurious houseboat experience, Echuca has several options available. They prioritize comfort and functionality over luxury, offering spacious interiors with open floor plans and multiple decks. Dreamscape Houseboat. Houseboat custom designed by Dirk Marine. This custom-designed houseboat features a concrete hull and offers approximately 150 square meters of living space. They prioritize comfort and functionality over luxury, offering spacious interiors with open floor plans and multiple decks. These houseboats are perfect for those who want a relaxing getaway on the Murray River without breaking the bank. Houseboat is equipped with the latest technology and a top-of-the-line stereo system, ensuring your entertainment needs are met. So, if you're looking for an unforgettable houseboat experience oozing with luxury and comfort, then the iconic luxury houseboat is the perfect choice for you. Luxury Dreamscape Houseboats. If you're looking for a luxurious houseboat experience, Dreamscape has several options available. These houseboats come fully equipped with all the amenities you could ask for, including spas, BBQs, and entertainment systems. Thank you so much for watching. Please must subscribe my channel.